If you're looking for a spacious 4-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom home in the Telford area, you got to check out my new listing, 18 Indian Valley Lane. This neighborhood is an awesome place to grow up in. I can tell you from personal experience because I grew up just 2 houses down from this house. Let's go check it out. So again, this is 18 Indian Valley Lane in Telford. If you are looking for a single family home with plenty of room in a nice school district, in Souderton School District, the location's great. It's just a 3-minute drive to Route 309 and about a 10-minute drive to the Turnpike. You can't beat this location. Make sure to reach out to me for your showing. Talk to you soon.